Slovak Prime Minister Robert Fico remains in hospital in serious condition following an assassination attempt in the central Slovak town of Handlover.
Musím skonštatovať, že po krátkej návšteve pána premiéra Roberta Fica musím povedať, že ten jeho zdravotný stav je naďalej veľmi vážny a bolo mi umožnené s ním hovoriť len niekoľko minút, pretože si jeho aktuálny stav vyžaduje naozaj pokoj.
Apart from the political buzz, all seems very calm in Bratislava. You wouldn't tell this is a country at the brink of civil war, as the Interior Minister yesterday said. But behind the curtain, there is a lot of worrying going on concerning the health of Prime Minister Robert Fico.
According to the Minister of the Interior, the alleged attacker has confessed information he obtained from the media made up one of his motives. The suspect blamed the Prime Minister for various controversial issues in Slovakia, including the abolition of the Special Prosecutor's Office, the cessation of military aid to Ukraine, and Fico's interference in public television.
Odkazujem to všetkým, najmä všetkým majstrom sveta za klávesnicou, že budeme konať rázne a nekompromisne. Toto je
Outgoing Slovak President Zuzana Kaputova and Peter Pellegrini, winner of the presidential election and ally of Robert Fico, displayed a united front to call for calm.
V neposlednom rade chceme vyzvať všetkých k zodpovednému prístupu. Vykročme z blúdneho kruhu nenávisti a vzájomných obviňovaní. To, čo sa včera stalo, bol individuálny čin. Ale napätá atmosféra nenávisti bola našim kolektívnym dielom.
President-elect Peter Pellegrini has also called on Slovakian political parties to stop or suspend their campaign for the European elections in order to not fuel more confrontation.